In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can adjust an image in a perspective way in Krita. So to do it, all you have to do is just select this transform tool, and now as you can see, you could just resize it, but I'm gonna like change the perspective aspect. So I'm just gonna make it small a little bit first. Now you have to change it. You have to make sure you have the arrow, so the cursor over here. Make sure you click on control, and then you should be able to have let's make sure to decrease it a little bit, and just like this. As you can see, control, and then you hold your mouse button, and then you should be able to have a perspective way of moving the image. So this is basically how you could have a perspective image. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.